In this case, I have a cheapie saw because I don't do this all the time. Sometimes I do a whole lot of it at one time. But I also have like 4 of the little ones, so you can do this at home with little ones. It gets to be a journey holding this together. So if you're doing with the little ones, go ahead and leave the plastic on there if you can, because this can get. Also, you want to try to make sure your eyes are protected, and that in this case, whenever you're using these saws, any ceramic tile saw, make sure you got water. The little hand saws that you roll and break, pretty tough to do with this stuff, especially when it has the aluminum strips in it. This doesn't. So I'm just going to crank it up and I'm going to cut through with poly inside. Alright. Should be wearing eye protection or not. Now, all these guys that are professional, that's all they do, ceramic tile guys, are probably having a fit. Oh, he's not doing this and he's not doing that. But what I'm showing you, that you're working on your own house, you can do this stuff without tearing out all the drywall and putting in studs so that you can fasten concrete board. I'm showing you how to do this on a budget, okay? Believe me, I know how to do it the fancy way. I know how to center and all those things. But people on a budget are not going to be able to afford all that, and it's just going to be overwhelming. What I'm going to show you is how to do this at home without all that. So all you other guys that are professional ceramic tile guys, settle down, let these people make their house better.